2 beef steaks, about 250 grams, about 9 ounces, each. Add salt and black pepper. Hi friends. My name is Isabel and welcome to my kitchen. Beef is a great source of protein, iron, and B12, supporting muscle growth and overall health. Rice. Rice, source of energy, easy to digest, rich in B vitamins and minerals, supports healthy digestion. Fill the rice with water. Add salt and cook until done. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. - 100 grams softened butter, about half a cup. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. One tablespoon lemon juice. Add dill. One garlic clove. Add salt.
Look out, here she comes.
Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it.
Got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us. Just the two of us. But I know
Wrap in plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator.
'cause she won't be mine. I listen when she talks. I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these
4 garlic cloves, unpeeled, crushed.
but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I have to
Heat a little oil with a high smoke point, rapeseed or peanut oil, in a very hot pan and fry the steaks to the desired degree of doneness. While frying, add 4 crushed garlic cloves and 3 sprigs of rosemary to the pan, and pour the fat that has formed during frying over the meat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Rare, approximate 2 minutes per side. Medium, approximate 3 minutes per side. Well done, approximate 4-5 minutes per side. Eating beef strengthens the immune system thanks to vitamin B12 and zinc. Beef is a source of energy, strength, endurance, and vitality. Turn off the stove and leave the beef covered for 5 minutes. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Add some olive oil or vegetable oil. Green peas. Green peas provide plant-based protein, fiber, and B vitamins, aid digestion and energy levels. Add parsley. Add the cooked rice. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, high in lycopene and vitamin C, boost immunity, protect the heart, and reduce inflammation. Add salad mix. 1 sweet bell pepper. 1 bell peppers, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, boost metabolism and support immune function. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Add salt. Lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon French mustard and 1 teaspoon honey to the olive oil. Drizzle the salad with the dressing. Add soft goat cheese. Cut the butter into pieces. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription.
Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work.
Because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing.
See you in the next videos and take care.
But she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try
Enjoy your meal.
to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving